Once again, I welcome you to Superb Math class. Today we are asked to solve this by factorization method. As usual, we shall find the product of the first and the last term, that is c squared multiplied by minus 2, and that will give us minus 2c squared. Alright? The next thing is to find two numbers that when you multiply them together, they will give you minus 2c squared, and when you add them together, they will give you minus c. That means if you test that, you know that minus 2c plus 1c will give you minus 1c. And then minus 2c times plus c will give us minus 2c squared. So the two factors we are looking for are minus 2c and plus c. So we can use that to replace this. So we shall have c squared minus 2c plus c, then minus 2 is equal to 0. We just replace this with this. I hope someone is following. So we can now group these into two groups where we have minus c squared minus 2c as a group, and then c minus 2 as another group, and everything equal to 0. In doing this, you know that c is common here, so we can bring out c, and then we have c minus 2 in this bracket. Here, 1 is common actually, so you can have c minus 2. There is 1 here invisibly, I'm sure you know that, so equals to 0. So if you look at this very well, c minus 2 is common, so c minus 2 can be factored out. Then here we are left with only c, while here we are left with that 1. So it's plus 1 here, and equals to 0. That means this times this gave us 0. It means either this is equal to 0 or this is equal to 0. So c minus 2 is equal to 0, or c plus 1 is equal to 0. Here we shall say c is simply equal to 2 because it will cross to the other side and become positive, or c is equal to minus 1. And this is the solution to this problem. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel at Superb Math Class so that you can get more of such videos. Thank you so much for following.